Hello my friends, see all this mold right here? I want to go ahead and show you how to get rid of this really fast. So we got like green algae mold. So basically you might be wondering, what am I spraying? And I have kind of like dish soap and bleach. And I just want to go ahead and spray this on and watch the amazing difference. I was in like the pressure cleaning business for a long time. Sorry if the camera's shaky or not quite right. I'm trying to do this at the same time. I want to go ahead and just spray this on. It's extremely fast. You can buy bleach at Walmart or somewhere like that, maybe Publix or something, maybe Winn-Dixie. That one, that's like some fur looking stuff. It may or may not come up, but go ahead right there the first time. So let's go ahead and spray this on and come back, and it should, you want to spray enough so it penetrates, and it should be pretty much gone. All right, my friends, so it's been a little while and this is what it looks like. So it's a huge improvement. There's still a little bit that left, but if I spray it with a water hose, some of that might even come off. This is just a water hose, you know. And then if it doesn't all come off, you may just want to go ahead and like hit it up with another coat of bleach and soap. You can use like dish detergent and bleach and mix it. Just be careful, some might give off a poisonous fume. But that's a dramatic improvement. And I might come by and hit that with another coat. But even with the water hose, it looks like it's getting better. So there you go, my friends. That's how to get like mold and green algae off the side of the house. Love y'all. Let me know what you think. Please sub, give it a thumbs up. I love y'all and bye.